Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this pretty crude dragon. I don't know what they're going to be doing with it, but that's beside the point. They want part of the word fire behind the fire. And he kind of sent me an example. He's actually kind of figured it out. But I made a copy of it in case I messed it up. I'm going to take my freehand tool and I am going to draw what I'm going to call a vessel. Make sure I got the freehand tool. And, don't make it perfectly round. And when you close it up, you're good. Now I am going to take the fire word out of the way. And I'm going to select, there's actually a picture inside of a picture, which I don't really understand. So what I'm going to do is shift select or select that one and then shift select the dragon and then go here to intersect. And what that did, that made me another piece of fire. And I'm going to delete that and I'm going to put the fire back. And then I'm going to go up to object, order, front of page and put that fire back. And it looks like it's in front of the fire, but it's too sharp. It doesn't look natural. So what we can do then is to select that fire blob, go up to effects, blur and feather. We'll want to get this out of the way. And then you could change this to whatever you want. And it makes it look, in that time you could make it bigger, you could make it smaller. We could grab it and make it as big as we want. I'm kind of hoping that's what he's wanting. He'd done it in some other steps. But that way you can kind of see the letters behind there. And it doesn't, really distort. You can still read that the word is fire. And you could move it wherever you want it to. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.